Hi there! Halloween is here soon, and I wanted to make an outfit for my BJD to celebrate the occasion. Here is my initial concept that I will use as a base for my outfit design. My idea was to make a wolf-themed outfit inspired by the wolf character from Red Riding Hood. This outfit will feature a lot of different fabrics and also a special accessory. So let's get started! I begin by making the blouse. For that, I'm using these basic shirt patterns. To make the sleeve pattern, I measure the correct length and use the existing patterns as a guide to draw the pattern. I want to make the sleeves puffy at the top, so I draw the pattern wider than needed. And here's the pattern. I cut the fabric using my patterns and sew them together at the shoulder. I'm also attaching some ruffles with lace to the front of the blouse. Now let's add a frilly collar to the blouse. All done. For the sleeves, I add some lace to them and gather them at the top to give them some volume. For the cuffs, I'm using a rubber band that I'm cutting into very thin strips. Then I just sew them on. In the next video, I will show you in more detail how I sew these tiny rubber bands on sleeves. I also add some silver iron-on studs to act as fake buttons. After adding snap buttons at the back, the blouse is pretty much done. For finishing touches, let's add a ribbon tie to the collar. Now let's work on the pants. This pattern is a half of the pant pattern, so I'll need to extend it. I cut 2 of these patterns and then sew them together at the curved line. Now I'm sewing them together at the bottom part. After turning them, they already look like pants. Now I'm gathering them at the top and also at the bottom to make them look cute and poofy. Here I'm adding some frills to the sides. It will give the pants a cuter look and accentuate the wolfy vibes by giving a more fluffy silhouette. I want to give the pants some lighter colored accents with this grey rose patterns fabric. Using this fabric, I will make some pant cuffs with some added lace at the bottom. I'm also making a matching waistband for the pants. And here are the pants mostly done. I think these are my favorite out of all the outfit pieces. To add some more detail, I decided to add some chains and studs to the waistband. Now it's time for some fluffy details. I'm making a collar out of this fluffy fabric. The collar piece is just a simple rectangle with snap buttons attached to it. I didn't plan for it initially, but I also decided to add a cape to the collar using this grey fabric with an overlay of this black chiffon. The cape will be just a gathered piece of these two fabrics attached to the collar. Later, I also decided to add some wire in between the fabric layers so I can pose the cape. This way it will look nicer in photos. I'm finishing the cape with a chain to match the chains on the pants. Lastly, let's make a matching beret for this outfit. I used this Volks beret as a guide to make these two round patterns. I cut them out of the same fabric as the pants, but in a double layer to make the hat sturdy. I connect the pieces at the edge. And turn the hat over to get a cute shape like this. Now I just add a grey edge to match the rest of the outfit. I also added these fluffy wolf ears. I'm hoping they don't look too cat-like though. To complete the outfit, I also made these boots off camera. I use pretty much the same method for all my shoes, and I have a video on shoemaking up on my channel. I'll link it somewhere here if you're interested. Last but not least, let's make the special accessory, which is a wolf skull mask. I used this Fimo oven-baked clay to make it. I sculpt the mask around a foil base so that it will be hollow inside. That way it won't be too heavy and the doll will be able to hold and wear it. I have also made some guidelines for me to follow, so I will be able to make the masks just the right size. I wanted the outfit to have a more sinister or even haunted look to it compared to the wolf character in Red Riding Hood, so I'm trying to make the skull look as realistic and creepy as possible. Here is the mask all fresh from the oven. Now I'm removing the foil and giving the skull some paint to make it look more realistic. After a few coats of varnish, it's done! I also attached some ribbons with snap buttons so the mask stays on the doll's head. And with that, the whole outfit is done.